In this comprehensive tutorial, we present a step-by-step guide on replacing the door seal of your Fisher Paykel refrigerator or freezer. This procedure ensures optimal performance and energy efficiency of your appliance. Begin by locating the model number of your Fisher Paykel fridge or freezer. Access the bottom door where a white label is affixed. At the top corner of this label, you'll find the model number. When purchasing a replacement seal, visit our website, fridgeseal.com, and search your model number. To commence the replacement process, open the refrigerator door. Gently grasp the top corner of the existing seal and slowly peel it away from the plastic track. This track, whether white or gray, facilitates the seal's attachment and removal. Unfold the new seal provided and begin installation at the top corners. Securely clip the back of the seal into the plastic channel, ensuring a snug fit. Progressively work your way around the perimeter of the door, affixing the seal securely into place. For optimal results, it's advisable to initiate the replacement from the top corners, ensuring proper alignment before proceeding to the bottom. This technique facilitates a seamless installation process. Post-installation, conduct a thorough inspection to verify the seal's integrity. Ensure it is uniformly clipped in along the entire door channel, guaranteeing airtight closure. Should you encounter any irregularities such as bumps or gaps in the seal, employing a hairdryer can rectify the issue. Apply heat to the problematic area, followed by gentle pressure to encourage expansion and proper sealing. By following these meticulously outlined steps, you can confidently replace the door seal of your Fisher Paykel refrigerator or freezer, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your appliance. For further assistance or inquiries, do not hesitate to reach out and subscribe to support our small business.